Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 7, Subject Social Science. Children, last before class, we have covered in geography our changing earth. The topics are the lithospheric plates, endogenic force, exogenic force, volcanoes, earthquakes. Today we are going to see about the major landforms, that is work of river, work of seaways, work of ice, work of wind. Today we are going to cover in this topic in this video. The topic is major landforms. Under major landforms, there are two processes. How many processes there, children? There are two processes. The first process is weathering. What is the first process? The weathering. The first process is weathering. And the second process is erosion. What is the first process? The first process is weathering and the second is erosion. Now we are going to see these two processes in detail. What is weathering? Weathering. This is a big rock. This has been split. It has been broken. The rock has been broken into a small pieces. It's known as a weathering. What is a weathering? The weathering is the rock has been broken up, break up into a small pieces is known as a weathering. Children, what is a weathering? The big rock that will be it has been broken into a small piece is known as a weathering. Next, we are going to see about the erosion. What is a erosion? See, the big rock has been broken into small piece like this has been came. The rock, this is known as erosion. The small rock will be settled in somewhere else. That is known as an erosion. The small pieces of rock has been stored in somewhere else. It has been settled in somewhere else. This is known as an erosion. Under this major landforms, we are going to see about the work of river. You can see in this picture the waterfalls. Can you see, children? The first point we are going to see in work of river is the running water in the river erodes the landscape. It is nothing but the running water in the river. There will be a small particle that destroys slowly in the landscape. Running water. The first point is running water. Running water in the river erodes the landscape. Children, it is nothing but in running water there will be a small particles that destroy the landscape very slowly. And next, second is we are going to see about the what is a waterfalls. How it has been forming as a waterfalls. Forms of waterfalls. In waterfalls there will be a big rock and the small rock. This big rock the water won't carry. It will left there itself. The small rock is there, no? It will carry and it will go and settle in somewhere else. This is how it has been formed and a waterfalls. And the third point we are going to see about the meanders. What is the meanders? Let me show the picture of the river. Children, in this second picture, you can see, no, the river has been turned, forming a large bend. It is known as a meanders. Can you see? This is the forming of the large bend. வளைஞ்சு போகுது தெரியுதா? That is known as a meanders. What is a meanders? Is nothing but river has turns forming a large bend. Forming a large bend is called a meanders. Large bend is called as a meanders. You can see in the picture there will be a bend of the river. It will turns like this. This is the bend that flows and turns like this in the river. And next we are going to see about the levees. What is the levee? Again we are going to see the picture. Levees is nothing but மண் திட்டுக்கள். நிறைய மண் வந்து திட்டா அங்கே போய் ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகி நிற்கும். அதுதான் வந்து levees. Can you see? Under the river, the stand will stuck. That is known as levees. And the next we are going to see about the Oxbow Lake. What is an Oxbow Lake? This Oxbow Lake, I will show the picture again. See, there is a big bend. After that the bend has been cut it. Can you see? And it creates a small lakes that is known as an Oxbow Lake. Can you see, children? The bend has been so long. After that it has been cut and it forms a small river that is known as Oxbow Lake. These small lakes will be found. The small lakes is found is known as Oxbow Lake. Children, next we are going to see the third picture. This is the picture. Many rivers has been break and this have it cut and it have many branches. It forms many branches. It will joins into the sea. And next we are going to see about the distributors. Distributary. What is a distributary? Here the main river divided and it forms many branches is known as a distributary. Under this many river will come. The main river, it has been divided and it forms many branches. Now we are going to see about the highest waterfall, the Angel Waterfall in South America. It is in South America. Niagara waterfalls, it is in North America. Victoria waterfalls, it is in Zambia. This is about the work of river. And next we are going to move to the work of sea waves. Children, and next we are going to see about the work of sea waves. Here inside the sea there will be many sand and rocks. It will be deposited and forming as a beaches. Near the sea there will be many rocks. When you go to the beaches near this, if you go to the sea and all, near the sea there will be many rocks. What it will do, that rocks will touch the water. The water will touch the rock. It create a small cracks, நிறைய crack விழும். After that it becomes a larger cave. நிறைய crack, little bit the bigger small caves. அந்த தண்ணி பட்டு பட்டு ஸ்மால் கிராக் மாதிரி விழுந்து அதில் வந்து ஸ்மால் கேவ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் இட் பிகம்ஸ் அ பிக்கர் ஹோல். கேன் யூ see in this picture the hole which can come inside and go outside also? Like this it will be a big hole, that is known as a sea arch. Next we are going to see about this stack is nothing but it stands like a wall. After that தண்ணி பட்டு பட்டு அது வந்து it is not breaking. Afterwards it can be broken into this small pieces also. It is known as stack. Sleek cliff means it's nothing but the rocks will rise vertically. It is known as a sea cliff. Now we are going to see about the sea caves. What is a sea caves? These sea caves is nothing but the rocks will become so bigger hole. The rocks hollow a bigger hole. Bigger and wilder of rock is sea caves. And after that it becomes so big. It becomes a big roof, that is known as sea arches. The stack is nothing but stack. The stack is nothing but is the rock like a wall. It is known as stack. Next is sea cliff. The rocks will be rise vertically. The rocks will rise vertically. This is about the work of sea waves. And next we are going to move to the work of ice. Next we are going to see about the work of ice. Here the glaciers is known as the glaciers are river of ice. The glaciers are the river of ice, under this glaciers, and there will be soils and the rocks. The solid rocks will be allow a deep hole. It will as a deep hole. The ice the ice will be melt. After that the ice will be melt and filled up with the water. It becomes a beautiful lakes like a mountains. This rock will melt as a ice. After that it will filled with the water and becomes a beautiful lakes, is known as a mountains. Under this glaciers there will be, under this glaciers, big rocks. There will be a big rocks, and the small rock also will be there. Sand and slit, and it will be get deposited, is known as a glacial moraines. It is known as a glacial moraines. Sorry, it is a moraines. Glacial moraines. Under the glaciers there will be a big rock and the small rock. Slit also will be there. It has been deposited as a glacial moraines. And next we are going to see about the work of wind. Children, next is work of wind. Here we are going to see about the mushroom rocks. What is the mushroom rocks? Under the desert we have seen the mushroom rocks. The rocks in the desert, it looks like a mushroom in shape. That is known as a mushroom rocks. What is the mushroom rocks? Is nothing but in desert seen rocks in the shape of mushroom, in the shape of a mushroom, is known as a mushroom rocks. And next we are going to see about the sand dunes. Sand dunes. A sand dunes is nothing but, under the desert there will be a lot of wind will come. This wind will take all of the sand and it build the small, like a small hill, like a small hill, like a chinna hilla. It has been deposited. That is known as a sand dunes. And next we are going to see about the next is loess. What is a loess? It is nothing but the sand which has been deposited in large area is known as a loess. When sand is deposited in large area is known as loess. Children, now we are going to see the map of famous delta. Colorado Delta is in USA. Mississippi Delta, it is in North America. Amazon Delta is in South America. Nile Delta, it is in Africa. Indus Delta, it is in Pakistan. Brahmaputra Delta is in Bangladesh. This is the location of all the delta. Again I will repeat Colorado Delta. It is in USA, Mississippi Delta in North America, Amazon Delta in South America, Nile Delta it is in Africa, Indus Delta it is in Pakistan, Brahmaputra Delta it is in Bangladesh. Children, the assignment will be practice the famous delta in the world map, and this is first assignment, and after that the question answers is there. You can easily answer this question answer by seeing my video itself. What is sand dunes? What is meanders? What is glacial moraines? Children, this question answer you can write in a A4 sheet paper, and you can submit in the school. Even the map also you can practice it and read the spelling also. Thank you, children.